can be quite frustrating at GCSE to draw a line of best fit because you're kind of guessing. There's actually a mathematical way of doing that, and that's by using linear regression, which we're looking at today. The least squares regression line is the line of best fit through a set of data points on a scatter diagram. It works by minimizing the squared differences or errors between the actual data points and the predicted points on the line. This ensures that the line is as close as possible to all the points. The result is a line that shows the overall trend or relationship between the two variables. Because of the way it's calculated, the mean x value and the mean y value will always be a coordinate of the line. You don't have to, at the Maths A level, work out what the equation of the regression line is. Let's have a look at these questions. We're told in this question that a company makes artisan cushions, and the scatter graph shows the number of employees working for 8 days and the number of cushions made on those days. And we're told that the equation of the regression line of y on x is y equals 2.09x plus 18.49. And we're asked to give an interpretation of the value of the gradient of this regression line. The gradient is the coefficient of the x. This will be 2.09 or approximately 2.1. This will mean that for each person we add, we get 2.1 more cushions produced. It might be easier to say that for each 10 people we add, we get 21 more cushions. In this question, we're asked to explain the reliability of using this regression line to estimate the number of cushions made by 6 and 50 employees. For 6 employees, if we look at our scatter graph, the 6 employees is well within the range of the data. We've got data for 2 people all the way up to 9 people. So 6 people is going to be more likely to be accurate. And we call this interpolation when it's within the range of the data. But for 50 employees, that's called extrapolation because it's outside the range of the data and it's less likely to be accurate. And if you think about it, it could be that the factory only is big enough for 10 employees. So having 50 employees isn't going to increase productivity. In this question, we're asked to explain why it is not suitable to use this regression line to estimate the number of employees needed to make 23 cushions. Now, you might look at the scatter graph and think, well, 23 is within the data, which it is, but the regression line is of y on x, and this is really important. There are different ways of working it out, whether it's y on x or x on y, depending on whether you're looking at the horizontal or vertical averages of the distances. So the regression line given is of y on x. This means that it should only be used to estimate y values given x1s. If we wanted to do the same the other way around, we would need to find the equation of the regression line of x on y. And let's finish with this. There's a relationship between the years that an amount of money is in a bank account and the interest it has gained. Explain why you would not use a linear regression equation for this. If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free A-level papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.